Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Abdurrahman and today we are gonna see Ibrahim alayhi salam's topic in Surah Maryam, the 19th chapter of the Holy Quran. So the topic starts with Wadhkur fil kitabi Ibrahim, which means that and mentioned in the book of Ibrahim alayhi salam. So this topic is not just about Ibrahim alayhi salam or Prophet Abraham, but it's about him and what he told to his father. So let's go ahead. وَاذْكُرْ فِي الْكِتَابِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ, and mention in the book of Abraham. إِنَّهُ كَانَ صِدِّيقًا نَبِيًّا. So إِنَّهُ, it's coming إِنَّهُ. So it means indeed he. If it was innaha, it would be indeed her. So innahu kana siddiqan nabiyya. Indeed he was a man of truth and a prophet. إذ قال لأبيه يا أبتي, when he said to his father, "Oh my father, لما تعبد ما لا يسمع, why do you worship that which not hears, ولا يبصر, and not sees, ولا يغني, and not benefits, عنك شيئا, to you in anything." So yughni here, the root word of yughni is ghani. Ghani means rich, but here the meaning is changed. Yughni, benefits. يغني عنك شيئا. يا أبتي إني قد جاءني من العلم ما لم يأتك فاتبعني. يا أبتي إني قد جاءني. Oh my father, indeed verily has to come with me, has to come to me. Min al-ilm, okay. Min means from, but here the meaning of min is of. Min al-ilm, of the knowledge. Ma lam ya'tika, what did not came to you, what you don't know. Ya'tika fattabi'ani, so follow me. Fattabi'ani, follow me. Ahdika siratan sawiyya, I will guide you to the even path. So this is not a very lengthy topic, but this is a very important topic and a very major topic. Next ayah, Ya abati la ta'budu shaitan. O my father, do not worship the shaitan, do not worship the Satan. Inna shaitana kana lilrahmani asiyya. Indeed, the shaitan, indeed the Satan is disobedient to the most gracious, is disobedient to Allah, or you can say disobedient to God. Ya abati inni akhafu an yamassaka adhabun min ar-Rahman. Oh my father, indeed I fear that a punishment from the most gracious will touch you. Fatakuna lish-shaytani waliya. So you would be a friend to shaitan. So here he's saying that, oh my father, I fear that there will be a punishment that will touch you from the most merciful, okay? So you would be a satanic companion, okay? So you would have Satan as your companion in hellfire, in Jahannam. قال أراغب أنت عن آلهتي يا إبراهيم. He said, do you hate from my gods, Ya Ibrahim, O Abraham, O Ibrahim? لَإِن لَمْ تَنْتَهِ لَأَرْجُمَنَّكَ. Surely, if not you desist, لَأَرْجُمَنَّكَ. Surely I will stone you. So some of you might not know what stoning means. So stoning technically means that burying a person half underground, okay? The person's body will be this much visible approximately, and he will be stoned. Like people will throw stones at him or her, and the person will die like that. لَأَرْجُمَنَّكَ وَهْجُرْنِي مَلِيًّا. So leave me for a prolonged time. So leave me, okay? So avoid me. So his father said that leave me. قَالَ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكَ. He said, peace be upon you. سَأَسْتَغْفِرُ لَكَ رَبِّي. I will ask forgiveness for you from my Lord. So he said that I will ask forgiveness for you from my Lord, from Allah, from God. So even after his father said about stoning him, Ibrahim alayhi salam is talking good about him. Ibrahim alayhi salam is not saying bad. So we must also not do something bad if a person has done bad to us. إنه كان إنه كان بي حفيا. Indeed, he is ever gracious to me. وأعتزلكم وما تدعون من دون الله. And I will leave you وما تدعون and what you invoke من دون الله besides Allah. وادعوا ربي and I will invoke my Lord. عسى ألا أكون. Maybe that not I will be. بدعاء ربي شقيا. In invocation to my Lord unblessed. So he is saying, Ibrahim alayhi salam is saying here, and I will leave you and those you invoke other than Allah and will invoke. So invoke means in what do we say? Like in Urdu we say sharik therana. That means bringing someone else, like making a partner with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is a shirk. Okay, it's a very bad thing. Okay, so he said, I will leave you and those you invoke other than Allah and will invoke my Lord. I expect that I will not be in invocation to my Lord unhappy, okay, or you can say disappointed. فَلَمَّا اعْتَزَلَهُمْ. So when he left them, وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ and what they worshipped, مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَهَبْنَا لَهُ besides Allah, and we bestowed to him Ishaq wa Yaqub, Prophet Ishaq, also known as Isaac in English, wa Yaqub and Yaqub, also known as Jacob in English. وَكُلًّا جَعَلْنَا نَبِيًّا and each of them we made a prophet. وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُم مِّن رَحْمَتِنَا and we bestowed to them مِّن رَحْمَتِنَا of our mercy, okay, and we gave them our mercy. وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُمْ لِسَانَ صِدْقٍ عَلِيًّا and we made for them a truthful mention high, okay. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that and we gave them of our mercy and we made that and we made for them a mention, or you can say a reputation of high honor. So reputation, I used to think that reputation means in bad signs, but reputation is also a good thing. Like there are two types, good and bad. So here Allah is saying reputation of high honors. So it means a good reputation. So here the topic ends and then Musa alayhi salam's topic starts. So we're not going to go there, but Ibrahim alayhi salam's topic in Surah Maryam, I'd highly recommend all of you watching to go check out that topic, very important. And just like Ibrahim alayhi salam didn't think bad about his father, just like his father did to him. So we must also not think like this person has done something bad to me, so I'm also gonna do something bad to him. So that's not good. That's not what Ibrahim alayhi salam teached us, or his story teached us. So this is not just a story. This is real thing, and we have to follow him instead of just listening and saying that yeah, it's a really good, it's fiction, it's really nice. This is not fiction. This is real, and it's very important to believe in this, to do what our prophets and our messengers did. So that's it for today. Comment down below which surah or which prophet's topic or which topic in the Quran I should do next. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.